Welcome to the Basics Hub. If you love finding hidden gems at thrift stores, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of upcycling. We'll transform thrift store finds into beautiful decor pieces that look like they belong in a high-end boutique. Upcycling not only saves money, but is also a great way to express your creativity and reduce waste. Let's get started on these exciting projects. In this video, we'll focus on three main projects: turning old baskets into vintage-looking decor pieces, refreshing an outdated lamp, and transforming a plain wooden chair into a stylish accent piece. Let's kick things off with the basket project. Project 1: Upcycling baskets. For this project, you'll need old baskets, the more character the better, chalk paint or spray paint in your desired color, a paintbrush or spray nozzle, and optional embellishments like ribbons or stencils. When selecting your basket, look for interesting shapes and textures. A little wear adds character. Start by cleaning your basket to remove any dust or dirt. A damp cloth works well for this. Next, apply your chosen paint. I'm using chalk paint for a matte finish that gives it a vintage vibe. Make sure to get into all the crevices. If you want to add some flair, consider using ribbons or stencils to create patterns or designs on your basket. Once dry, style your newly upcycled basket in your home. It can serve as storage for blankets, magazines, or even as a decorative piece on its own. And here's the transformation. From an ordinary thrift store find to a stunning decor piece that adds charm to any room. Project 2: Refreshing an outdated lamp. Next up is this outdated lamp that could use some love. With just a few simple steps, we'll turn it into a stylish statement piece. For this project, you'll need an old lamp, spray paint or fabric for reupholstering the lampshade, and any decorative elements like new bulbs or embellishments. Start by cleaning your lamp thoroughly and disassembling it if necessary. Remove the lampshade and bulb. If you're painting, choose a color that matches your decor style. I'm going with a sleek matte black for a modern touch. For fabric shades, measure and cut your fabric to fit around it before gluing it down. Once everything is dry, reassemble your lamp carefully. Add a stylish bulb and place it in your favorite reading nook or living room area for an instant upgrade. And here's our refreshed lamp. It went from outdated to chic with just a little effort. Project 3: Transforming a plain wooden chair. Finally, we have this plain wooden chair that needs some personality. With paint and creativity, we'll turn it into a stylish accent piece. You'll need an old wooden chair, sandpaper, paint or stain, brushes or rollers, and optional decorative elements like stencils or cushions. Start by sanding down any rough spots on your chair to ensure smooth application of paint or stain. Now it's time to apply your chosen finish. I'm using a vibrant teal color that will really pop in my space. For added flair, consider using stencils to create patterns on your chair's backrest, or adding new cushions for comfort. Once everything is dry, style your chair in your home, whether it's in your living room as an accent piece or in your entryway for extra seating. And here's our transformed chair. This simple update can make such a big difference in any room. Today we've taken thrift store finds, baskets, lamps, and chairs, and turned them into beautiful decor pieces that look expensive. These easy upcycling projects not only save money but also allow you to express your creativity. Remember that every thrift store visit is an opportunity to find something special that just needs a little love. Don't be afraid to get creative. Your next masterpiece could be waiting for you. If you enjoyed these DIY transformations, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more fun upcycling ideas. What are some of your favorite thrift store finds? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to finding beauty in what others might overlook. Happy upcycling!